So this is really one of my favorite things to do. It's early summer, temperatures are getting really warm right now, and a lot of the lakes in this region are kind of getting tough. The weeds are growing and they're kind of slipping into those dog days, but that really doesn't happen here on the Mississippi River for a couple more months. I tell you what, we've had a lot of really high water this spring. A lot of them fish have been pushed back up into the backwaters, and they usually will stay there a lot of times until that water drops, which it is doing now. And a lot of times, or I should say all the time, they're going to end up out here on these wing dams, and that's what we're looking for today. We're looking for the wing dams that had the most fish on them. We're just kind of bouncing around. Some are good, some are bad, but and they always change. Just because you caught a fish on that wing dam last year doesn't mean it's going to produce year after year after year. So we're just poking around, making a few casts on each one, and usually when you get one fish, you're going to get multiple fish. Those walleyes really love setting up on them dams. They have kind of everything you need. There's current, and there's usually always bait. Great place to look for walleye. If you're fishing the Mississippi River in the summer, you better be looking on the wing dams.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.